Studies have identified that 5 minutes of green exercise can improve your mood and boost your self-esteem.
Walking 30 minutes a day, at least 5 times a week, can help to reduce your blood pressure.
Taking the walk with like-minded people can enhance the experience.
Increasing time spent outdoors through walking can leave you with a huge sense of accomplishment, fulfilment and satisfaction, increasing self-esteem and self-belief.
The rejuvenating effect of going for a walk goes beyond that of simple physical activity.
Greater exposure to natural light can instantly improve your mood, energy levels, and improve your sleep patterns.
When you make plans to walk with others, you will feel accountable.
So as you can see, there's a positive impact on both your body and your mind.
Why not start today? Join one of our BOA walks or download one of the many apps.
Head out to one of our awe-inspiring walks which are right on your doorstep.